Okay, you see that piece of pipe? I need to connect that piece in there to that flexible piece in such a way that the tap point up there can be easily be removed without having the need to be working under this deck once more. Okay, there's virtually hardly any access to this, so I'm now leaning over the camera and I'm going to cut. Okay, going to clean the cuts there. I don't have to worry if I leave any, well, you don't want it, but if I do leave some tiny pieces of metal, this is the outlet of the tap and not the inlet, so any leftover pieces are okay. Right, so this. Then this corner, and what happens if? Okay, if I do this one, put this one long piece of pipe in, it will give me the slack I need, I think. Okay, so this is going to be the solution for me. Okay. The materials I'm working with is just standard 12mm copper water pipe, so nothing extraordinary. I'm now going to make a connection. This little piece will act as a gasket. So, now I put the gasket onto the knee and just start screwing it like this, and now comes the point. As far as I can remember, this was 17mm. No, it's not, 15 and 19. Yes, 19. Mr. Barco from Sweden will solve that one for me. Okay. There we go. Okay, so this should be now one watertight connection. Okay, that's one. To be continued. Now next is the connection onto the original pipe. So there goes the nut, there goes the copper gasket, there goes the tube. Okay. I can see if anything all I'm doing is I'm all working by feel now. I'm going to set you up because I can't show you anything at all. Anyway. This is the tap that I was doing the outlet of. It's a thermostat. So I'm just going to turn it on and that's where it's coming. Yes. Now going to check for leaks. Okay. First connection, I don't see any leaks. Okay. On the first connection, I don't see any leaks. On the first connection of the knee either. Second connection, no leaks. And then the lengthening piece either. And now I need to check if there's any leaking going to happen at the end of the tube. Because you may bend it and then you can damage gaskets further on. Okay. I've had the water going now for well, some 10 minutes I think, and I haven't seen any drips of water under here. I haven't seen one there. I hope, yeah, it's focused. I haven't seen any drips coming there, and I haven't seen, I can show it on camera, I'm sorry, but in there at the end there's also a knee, and that's not leaking either. I don't see any drips on the concrete there, so I call this a success. Just for your explanation, 10 years ago I built this, well, this shower room. That includes above and the shower there. And well, after 10 years of use and abuse, this was in need of some maintenance. Mostly cork, because I had to keep, of course, everything around the bath watertight. And well, I wasn't really bothered by knowledge when I was building this, so I made myself a couple of maintenance issues here. You see here, there's a couple, 3 tap points, one to fill the bath with, one for the hand shower, and one for the roof or ceiling shower. But there is no way of getting in there to make a proper ceiling cork line, if you know what I mean. So my solution was to take the tap sleeves and lay them aside. Well, no problems with this tap point. But yes, here I had, because the flexible line was too stressed to allow any play take it off. So that is the point that I fixed now. There is, however, a copper line that goes from this output, you should see my finger, by that line, and then the copper line goes all the way to the corner, makes a 90-degree bend, and then a 90-degree bend upwards, all the way there, and then with 2 more 90 degrees to that ceiling shower. Well, I'm happy to report to my family that I'm going to take the first shower. So, at last, finally, the inspection gate has been closed again. Yeah.